Welcome back, my home cooks and chef. Today we got something special on the menu today. In the cooking class, we're going to be having a pasta salad. Very simple and easy. If you're looking for something to bring to the party, this is going to be an excellent dish for you. All right, you guys, so we're about to do this great, easy to do macaroni salad, you guys. Very, very simple. The first thing we need to do is we're going to be actually making the dressing. The dressing consists of 1 cup of mayo and about 1 tablespoon of mustard. So let's actually add that in to the base of it. Now, if you don't like mayo, you know what I'm saying, I'm sorry for you. But there are other ways, you know what I'm saying, other vegan types of mayo. So next you want to add in 2 tablespoons, about 1/4 tablespoon vinegar in there. Also too, you want to put, 1 tablespoon of sugar. And sorry about that, that'll probably be 1/4 cup of vinegar that I mentioned. And just mix it in together. Mix all the ingredients, don't splash all over the place. If you got a mixer, you can do that, but why? Mix all the ingredients in. Just to make sure everything is incorporated smoothly. Yep. This is a pretty good one. I always see it, my mom loves, macaroni salad. So this one, dish that she likes to make when she goes somewhere. Next, we want to add in about 1 pound of macaroni. So let's mix it all in. Mix it in thoroughly. So it's fully coated. Because macaroni, they had those nooks and crannies. So you want every little morsel of this dressing to be mixed in. Add a little salt to taste. Whatever you like. Say about less than a tablespoon. This is sea salt, so it's pretty good. And black pepper. Same. It's to your liking. Now you don't have to. I like black pepper, like I mentioned in many other of my dishes. So mix that in. Mix it in thoroughly. All right, next, you want to add in about, 2 tablespoons. Sorry about that. 1 cup of red onions. Man, I'm getting all my stuff mixed up today. And another 1 cup of celery. Mix them all in. Does that look colorful, you guys? Mix it in real good. Now, it's very optional for you to add in relish. Now, that's up to you, relish. You can add in pickles. You can add in that. But what I like to add in is cheese. So have about one cup of cheese. And just mix it in. Now, you can do block cheese, grated cheese is up to you. However you like it. Or you can leave it out. Like I said, it's optional. Make sure everything is mixed in properly so everybody get a bite of something. I'm gonna try it out a little bit, see how it tastes. Pretty good. Might need a little bit more salt. And that's it, guys. Just mix up the rest of the ingredients and plate up to serve. So what do you think, guys? How do you like it? Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Or let me know if you ever made a macaroni salad. It's pretty good, really simple. It's something quick to make if you want to bring to a party. All right, you guys, we got something wonderful today. We're going to be doing some salad. A macaroni and salad, you guys. So, let's get into, and I hope you guys how to put this together. Definitely enjoyed this simple and easy side. Make sure you keep this thing on ice or cold. It can't be out, we don't want to kill nobody, spoil nothing. But if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm KC. Glad to have you. If you're not new, man, glad to have you back, everybody. But I make the simple dishes easy and not, complex. I always say, work harder, work smarter, not harder, you guys. So I will see you guys in the next one.